Hey there, today we're making something simple but packed with flavor. Homemade chicken nuggets, Southern style. These aren't your drive-through variety. These are juicy, golden, seasoned through and through with a crispy coating that holds up whether you're frying or baking. Let's get started. Welcome to New South Table. I'm Melissa, and I'm glad you're here. My Carolina roots run deep from farm life to church suppers. I cook bold and simple, just like the Southern women before me. Now I'm sharing it from the beautiful South Carolina coast. Hit subscribe and pull up a seat. First up, we're working with 3 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast cut up into bite-sized nugget pieces. Not too big, not too small, just enough for that perfect 2-bite crunch. Now for the marinade. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of buttermilk with 1 tablespoon of Soul seasoning, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I don't add extra salt here because that Soul seasoning already brings plenty of salt. It's got a perfect blend of spice and warmth with just the right kick. Pour that seasoned buttermilk right over the chicken. Give it a stir. Make sure every piece is coated, then cover and refrigerate. This marinates for at least 3 to 4 hours or overnight if you have the time. I usually throw mine together in the morning before work, and by the time I'm home, it's ready to go. Now that the chicken is ready, it's time for the breading. In a separate bowl, mix together 2 to 3 cups of self-rising flour, the same seasonings we used in the marinade, 1 tablespoon of Soul seasoning, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Self-rising flour gives a nice textured crunch with a little lift, but if you like a thinner crust, you can absolutely swap it out for all-purpose flour. It won't puff up as much, but it will still deliver the same Southern crisp. Take your marinated chicken straight from the bowl. Don't rinse or pat it dry. Just toss it into the seasoned flour. Coat each piece really well, pressing the flour into the surface a bit so that it sticks when it hits the heat. Now, I'm frying these nuggets in a fairly shallow layer of oil. It's about 1 inch in my electric skillet. You can deep fry them if you'd like, but I'm not one to waste oil, so I shallow fry these and it gets the job done just fine. Set your skillet to 350 degrees and let those nuggets sizzle until golden on one side, then flip them to finish. It takes about 3 to 4 minutes per side, depending on your heat and thickness. You can do this on the stovetop if you would like in your cast iron skillet. Just make sure that oil is around 350 degrees. If you don't feel like frying, these can be baked too. Just drizzle a bit of oil, just enough to coat the bottom of a nonstick baking sheet. Lay the nuggets out in a single layer and drizzle a little oil on top of them. Bake at 400 degrees. Flip them halfway through the cooking process. They'll still come out golden and flavorful, just a little tad lighter. Now look at that. Crispy edges, juicy center, the kind of chicken nugget that doesn't need a drive-through or a dipping sauce to prove itself. But if you want to dip them, go for it. Whether you're making these for your family, game day, or just because it's Tuesday, this is one of those recipes that takes simple ingredients and makes them sing. That's what Southern cooking is all about: flavor, tradition, and a little bit of soul in every bite. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with somebody who could use a little comfort food done right. See you next time.